Hey guys, here we go. The first thing we're going to talk about tonight are called rational equations. And what these are equations with fractions in them. So let's get started. Now this is just like Algebra 2. So let's put a question down. So let's do question number 1. So it's x plus 4 over x plus 3 over x minus 4 equals negative 16 over x squared minus 4x. So I'll put down some steps. All right, now the first thing you want to do is you want to factor. You want to see what you have in the problem. So you're going to factor the denominators. So that's the first thing. So when I come over here and I look and I say, oh, okay, I could take it at x, right? We always look for greatest common factor first, and this is x minus 4. And then I look and I say, all right, after I factor the denominators, I need to find a greatest common factor. No, I need to find a common denominator otherwise known as a CD. So you look through the problem and you see, right, maybe I'll put parentheses around this x minus 4. And I look and I see, oh, the common denominator has to have an x in it, and it has to have x minus 4. So my CD in this problem is going to be x minus 4. Now, how you did it last year, it depends on who your teacher was. In my classes, what we did was we multiply by the CD. And really what we're going to do is we're going to put the CD in the numerator. All right, because when you multiply the fraction, it goes in the numerator. So I'm just going to go along to all these fractions, and I'm going to put the common denominator in the numerator. So it's x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 4. Next step, we cancel. So now we cancel. And hopefully, when you cancel, things start happening. My goal is to get rid of the denominator. So if I cancel the first one, x cancels out to x. So I have x plus 4 times x minus 4. Let's try it again. X minus 4 is cancel. So I have plus 3x. And the last one, right, so this was already done. So these two cancel these two. I get negative 16. Now the final steps are, so we cancel. Now we're going to solve. That's not working, right? So now if it's a quadratic, we set to 0, factor solve. So now it's a quadratic. Now I have to set it to 0. So what I got to do is I got to FOIL this out. I'm going to multiply it out. So I get x squared. I'll do the whole thing. Plus 4x minus 16 plus 3x equals negative 16. These 4x's cancel, so I get x squared minus 16 plus 3x equals negative 16. Set it to 0, bring this over. So you get x squared plus 3x equals 0. 16's cancel. So now I got to solve this. I'm going to factor. So I take out x, and I have x plus 3. Keep solving. I got x equals 0 and x equals negative 3. Now, last step, check. Now, if you look back at the original problem, there's two numbers that would be bad. Check, especially for undefined. X can't be 0, x can't be 4. Right? So at the very top, x can't be 0, x can't be 4, because it makes undefined. Now look at our answers. One's a 0, one's a negative 3. We already said can't be 0. So this guy, we reject it, right? I'm not getting all messy. I don't scribble it all out, cross it out. I just reject it. So my final answer will be x equals negative 3. let's try it again. So let's try another question. So question 2. 1 over 2a minus 2 equals a over a squared minus 1 plus 2 over a plus 1. Alright, we're going to follow the same steps. So first try it. Back to the bottoms. And see what your common denominator is going to be. So let's say, so take it at 2, I get a minus 1. Hopefully you see it's like a plus 1, a minus 1 things floating around in this problem. Alright, that's the bottoms. So my CD in this problem is going to be, I have a plus 1, a minus 1. But I also have this 2 floating around. So I got to put the 2 out there also. So take your CD and you're going to put it on all the numerators. So 2, a plus 1, a minus 1. Oops. Let's try to fix that. There we go. Gotta save it. 2a plus 1, a minus 1. 2a plus 1, a minus 1. 2a plus 1, a minus 1. Okay, right, so these are gone. We already have them down here, so that's fine. Now we're going to go through and we're going to cancel. Alright, 2 cancels 2, and that's it. Oh, no, a minus 1 cancels a minus 1, because I don't want any denominators. So when I clean up the top, all I have left is a plus 1. A plus 1, a minus 1, a plus 1, a minus 1. What's left upstairs is 2a. A plus 1, a plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4 times a minus 1. So I have a plus 1 equals 2a plus 4a minus 4. Now we're going to clean this up. And what's nice is it's not a quadratic. There's no square. So this is actually kind of easy now. So I get a plus 1 equals 6a minus 4. Move things around. Subtract the a. You got 1 equals 5a minus 4. Just going to move this up here. Bring over the 4. I got 5a equals 5. A equals 1. But hold on. At the very beginning, we said you can't be undefined. So if you look up here in this first part, a can't be 1. A can't be 1. A can't be negative 1. This is a equals 1, so it's a reject. So I have no answer. There's no solution. So you can write no solution. Sometimes you'll see it as NS. You can see it as the null set, or you might see it as the empty set. It all means the same thing. So that's it. Thanks.